Today I'm making one of my favorite party appetizers, and that is carnivore sausage balls. These are simple, high in protein, great for meal prep, and a hit at any party. Here's all you need. It is super simple. We're going to have 1 block of cream cheese, which is 8 ounces, a pound of sausage, 2 cups of shredded cheese of your choice, and 1.5 cups of pork panko. That is it. No fillers, just carnivore goodness. I'm just going to add everything into my bowl and give it a quick mix with my mixer. Pro tip here, if your cream cheese is already softened and at room temperature as well as your sausage, it makes it much easier to mix. So I'm using my little mixer and just going to use the dough attachments to mix this up. All right, I gave the sausage and cream cheese a quick mix together. Now we're just going to add the cheese and the pork panko. Now I know some of y'all out there is going to tell me the sausage that I'm using has some bad ingredients in it and it's better to shred your own cheese and make your own cream cheese. You're right. You're right on all of those aspects. I'm not arguing with that, but I want this to be easy. Sometimes we have to use what's already made because our life's too busy. This is why I like the dough attachments on a mixer when you're mixing this kind of stuff, because then you don't have to fight to scrape all that stuff off. Now I'm just going to make these into bite-sized balls. You could always make them bigger if you don't want them for an appetizer and you want them for a meal prep instead. You can also roll these by hand. You don't have to have a cookie scoop. But I decided to try my cookie scoop today. You know what? I think I'm going to go back to my hands. This is taking too long. Hands are just easier. So these are great just like this, or you could roll these in an egg wash and roll them in Parmesan cheese and bake them that way as well. And that turns out delicious. But either way, everybody's gonna gobble them up. So I have added green chilies to these before and brought them to work as an appetizer, and everybody loved them. So you can add your choice of whatever you want on the inside, and these just don't turn out bad. No matter how I've made them, they're always delicious. This is just the basic carnivore recipe, and you just go from there. You don't even have to add any seasonings to this. You always can, but honestly, it's delicious without anything. These are just not fussy at all, and they always turn out great. Do not be afraid to get your hands dirty, because you know what? They wash. You'll be fine. We have all of our balls made, and we are going to bake these at 375 for 20 to 25 minutes. If they're not as golden brown as you'd like, at the end of that you can crank it up to broil. Broil them for a few minutes until they get a little bit crispy on the outside, and they're delicious. You can always air fry these too. I would do 375, 10 minutes, just check them from there. These look delicious. We're gonna let these cool, then we're gonna come back for a taste test. Okay, y'all, these are our sausage balls. So I'm gonna get my hubby in here. Here he comes. I'm gonna get him to come in here and do a taste test.
Green Giant.
Jolly Green Giant, there you are. All right, now we can see you. Look, babe, sausage balls. Do they look delicious?
Something our dogs don't have.
Wah, 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 wah.
Thanks,
Yeah. These are the only balls allowed in our house. Just kidding.
Thank you.
All right, so these are carnivore sausage balls. I've made them before, but we're going to take them today as an appetizer for the party because I can eat them, and I think they're delicious. Everybody liked them the last time, so we're going to do it again. Here's what they look like, a little brown underneath and crispy. Pick your poison.
Oh, I thought these were appetizers.
They are appetizers. We got to taste them, though. They're not going to know if there's a couple missing. I wanted your grease. It looked delicious.
Nasty.
Not nasty. They're a little crispy on the outside.
I don't take full bites. I just,
They're delicious, huh? I'm so glad I made them. Now, if everybody doesn't eat them first, like last time, I have an appetizer. They're so good. Here, show them that. Get up real close and show them that. You got long arms. Kind of looks a little bready on the inside. You gotta hold it real still. I'm shaky. You're good. So I don't know if y'all can see that, but it looks like it's breaded on the inside, but it's just the pork panko. Don't mind if I do. These are delicious.
you're stepping on sausage.
Did you know we were cooking you today? All right, y'all, I am gonna sign off now so I can clean up the kitchen, get ready to go to the party. Hope you enjoyed this video that was full of sausage today. I'm the only thing in this video that's not sausage. Anyway, y'all, I hope to catch you again here next time. Bye. Bye. Say bye.